Welcome back to Power Tool Review. Today I'm checking out 21 crazy smart gadgets on Amazon that caught my attention. I love discovering tech that's useful, clever, and fun, and this list is packed with it. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Now let's jump in and explore some cool gadgets for your desk, bag, or home that make everyday tech a bit smarter.
Basslow TWS speaker. The Basslow TWS speaker instantly impressed me with its powerful sound packed into a compact, portable design. It delivers deep bass, crisp highs, and a surprisingly balanced mid-range that fills a room with ease. What makes it even more fun is the built-in LED light show that syncs with your music, creating an energetic vibe for parties or chill nights at home. I love that it supports true wireless stereo pairing, so I can connect two speakers for an immersive surround experience. The battery life easily lasts through long hangouts, and the durable build makes it great for outdoor use. With simple Bluetooth connectivity and quick pairing, this speaker blends performance and style perfectly. It's a small gadget that brings big sound and serious atmosphere wherever I go. Label Sync Mini Printer. The Label Sync Mini Printer is one of those gadgets I didn't realize I needed until I started using it. This compact wireless printer connects directly to my phone, letting me create custom labels in seconds. Whether I'm organizing cables, kitchen jars, office files, or storage boxes, it makes everything look neat and professional. The app is simple to use, with multiple fonts, icons, and layout options that add a creative touch. I really appreciate how lightweight and portable it is, so I can move it around the house without hassle. The print quality is crisp and clear, and the adhesive label sticks securely without peeling. It's perfect for home organization, small businesses, or DIY projects. Honestly, it turns everyday labeling into something quick, easy, and even fun.
Powerglow Gaming Hub. The Powerglow Gaming Hub is a total game changer for my desk setup. It combines multiple USB ports, fast charging capability, and vibrant RGB lighting into one sleek device. I love how it helps me keep my gaming area organized while powering my controller, headset, keyboard, and phone all at once. The customizable lighting effects add a dynamic glow that matches the rest of my setup perfectly. It doesn't just look cool though, the charging speeds are impressive and reliable. The solid build quality makes it feel durable, and it stays stable even with multiple cables connected. Setup is quick and simple, so I can plug it in and start using it immediately. If you're serious about gaming or just want a cleaner, smarter workspace, this hub makes a noticeable difference. Autotap Smart Switch. The Autotap Smart Switch makes upgrading to a smart home incredibly simple. Instead of replacing my existing switches, this clever device physically presses the switch for me using app or voice control. I found the installation process quick and tool-free, which is perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want complicated wiring. Once connected, I can schedule lights, control appliances remotely, and even set timers for convenience and energy savings. It works smoothly with popular smart assistants, making hands-free control effortless. The compact design blends into the wall without looking bulky or awkward. I also appreciate how reliable and responsive it feels during daily use. For anyone wanting smart functionality without major electrical work, this gadget offers an easy, practical, and affordable solution.
Lumiap RGB pucks. The Lumiap RGB pucks instantly add personality to any space. These small wireless LED lights are perfect for under cabinets, shelves, or behind screens. I love how easy they are to install with adhesive backing, no tools required. The color options are impressive, letting me switch between soft, warm tones for relaxing evenings or vibrant colors for parties. The remote control makes adjustments quick and convenient, and some modes even react to music for extra fun. Despite their compact size, they produce bright, even lighting that transforms dark corners into stylish highlights. They're rechargeable, which saves money on batteries and keeps things simple. Whether I'm upgrading my gaming setup or adding accent lighting to a room, these RGB pucks deliver flexibility, atmosphere, and a modern touch. AuraNC RGB lamp. The AuraNC RGB lamp is more than just a light, it's an experience. I use it to completely change the mood of a room with just a tap on my phone. It offers millions of colors and dynamic lighting effects that can match music, movies, or my overall vibe. The sleek, modern design fits perfectly on a desk or nightstand without taking up much space. I appreciate the adjustable brightness levels, which make it suitable for both relaxing evenings and focused work sessions. Setup is straightforward, and the app interface is intuitive and responsive. The light transitions are smooth, not harsh, giving it a premium feel. Whether I'm gaming, hosting friends, or winding down before bed, this lamp adds a vibrant, customizable glow that stands out.
HomeLink Wi-Fi plug. The HomeLink Wi-Fi plug is one of the simplest ways I've upgraded my home. It turns almost any regular device into a smart device within minutes. All I had to do was plug it in, connect it to my Wi-Fi, and link it through the app. Now I can control lamps, coffee makers, and even fans directly from my phone. I love setting schedules so devices turn on or off automatically, which saves energy and adds convenience. Voice control compatibility makes it even better for hands-free operation. The compact design doesn't block other outlets, which is a huge plus. It feels reliable and consistent, responding quickly every time. For anyone wanting smart home control without complicated setups, this Wi-Fi plug is practical, affordable, and incredibly useful. Neoatrix LED watch. The Neoatrix LED watch definitely grabs attention the moment I wear it. Instead of traditional hands, it features a bold LED matrix display that shows the time in a futuristic digital pattern. I love how it blends tech style with everyday practicality. The display is bright and easy to read even in low light, and it has adjustable brightness settings for comfort. Despite its modern look, it feels lightweight and comfortable on my wrist throughout the day. The rechargeable battery lasts surprisingly long, so I'm not constantly worrying about charging. It's durable enough for daily wear while still looking sleek and stylish. If you enjoy unique gadgets that stand out from ordinary accessories, this watch adds a cool, tech-forward edge to your outfit instantly.
Hover Orb LED drone. The Hover Orb LED drone is pure fun from the moment it lifts off. I was surprised by how easy it is to control, even for beginners. With simple hand gestures and motion sensors, I can guide it through the air without a traditional controller. The built-in LED lights make it glow beautifully, especially in low light, creating an eye-catching flying effect. It's lightweight yet durable, so minor bumps don't stop the fun. I appreciate the safety design, with enclosed blades that reduce the risk of injury. The rechargeable battery offers decent flight time for indoor play sessions. It's perfect for quick entertainment breaks or showing off a cool gadget to friends. This drone combines smart motion technology with colorful excitement in one compact package. Flexim Mount phone holder. The Flexim Mount phone holder has made multitasking so much easier for me. Its flexible gooseneck arm allows me to adjust my phone to the perfect viewing angle, whether I'm watching videos, following recipes, or taking video calls. The clamp base grips securely onto desks, beds, or counters without slipping. I really like how sturdy it feels even when fully extended. It holds my phone firmly in place without scratching it thanks to the padded grips. Installation takes seconds and it's easy to reposition whenever needed. The adjustable design works with most phone sizes, making it incredibly versatile. Whether I'm working, relaxing, or recording content, this holder keeps my hands free and my phone stable exactly where I need it. Magtravel phone mount. The Magtravel phone mount is one of my favorite car accessories right now. Its strong magnetic hold keeps my phone secure, even on bumpy roads. I love how simple it is to attach and remove my device with just one hand. The compact design blends seamlessly into the dashboard without blocking my view. The 360-degree rotation feature allows me to switch between portrait and landscape modes instantly, which is perfect for navigation. Installation is quick and doesn't require complicated tools or adjustments. It stays firmly in place once mounted, giving me confidence while driving. The magnets are powerful but safe for modern smartphones. For everyday commuting or long road trips, this mount provides convenience, stability, and a clean, minimal look. Comspin Fidget Roller. The Comspin Fidget Roller is a small gadget that delivers surprisingly big stress relief.
Whenever I'm feeling restless or need to focus, I just roll it between my fingers. The smooth, satisfying motion helps me stay calm and concentrated during work or study sessions. It's compact enough to fit in my pocket, so I can carry it anywhere without drawing attention. The premium metal build gives it a solid, durable feel, while maintaining a sleek design. I really enjoy the quiet operation, which means I can use it in meetings or public spaces without distraction. It doesn't just help reduce stress, it also keeps my hands busy in a productive way. For anyone who fidgets often, this roller is simple, discreet, and incredibly effective.
Magflow Duo Charger. The Magflow Duo charger simplifies my charging routine in the best way possible. It allows me to power up my phone and wireless earbuds simultaneously without messy cables everywhere. The magnetic alignment ensures my phone snaps perfectly into place every time, making charging effortless. I appreciate the fast charging support, which keeps my devices ready throughout the day. The compact design fits neatly on my desk or nightstand without taking up too much space. It also has built-in safety features to prevent overheating and overcharging, giving me peace of mind. The clean, modern look complements any setup. If you're tired of juggling multiple chargers and cables, this dual charger keeps everything organized while delivering reliable, efficient performance. Sunrise Glow Clock. The Sunrise Glow Clock completely changed how I wake up in the morning. Instead of a harsh alarm, it gradually brightens the room with a soft, warm light that mimics a natural sunrise. I find it much more refreshing and less stressful than traditional alarms. It also includes customizable alarm tones, so I can wake up to gentle sounds instead of loud buzzing. The display is clear and easy to read, with adjustable brightness for nighttime comfort. I love the added ambient lighting feature, which doubles as a bedside lamp. Setting alarms and light schedules is straightforward and user-friendly. For anyone looking to improve their morning routine and sleep quality, this clock offers a calmer, more natural way to start the day.
PowerStack Surge Tower. The PowerStack Surge Tower is a must-have for anyone with multiple devices. It provides several AC outlets along with USB ports in a vertical, space-saving design. I love how it keeps all my gadgets powered without cluttering the floor with tangled cables. The built-in surge protection gives me confidence that my electronics are safe from unexpected power spikes. Each outlet is spaced thoughtfully so bulky adapters don't block neighboring ports. The sturdy base keeps it stable even when fully loaded. It's perfect for home offices, entertainment setups, or workshops. Setup is simple. Just plug it in and start organizing your power needs. This Surge Tower delivers convenience, protection, and efficiency in one practical and reliable solution. Foldglow Travel Lamp. The Foldglow Travel Lamp is one of those gadgets I always keep in my bag now. Its foldable, ultra-slim design makes it perfect for travel, whether I'm working in a hotel room or reading on a late flight. When folded, it takes up barely any space, but once opened, it provides bright, even lighting that's easy on the eyes. I love the adjustable brightness levels and touch controls that let me fine-tune the lighting instantly. The built-in rechargeable battery means I don't have to rely on finding an outlet nearby. It also feels sturdy despite being lightweight, which is ideal for life on the go. For students, remote workers, or frequent travelers, this lamp delivers portability, convenience, and reliable illumination anywhere. Secure Touch Smart Lock. The Secure Touch Smart Lock adds a whole new level of convenience and security to my home. Instead of fumbling for keys, I can unlock my door using a fingerprint, passcode, or smartphone app. The fingerprint recognition is impressively fast and accurate, giving me access within seconds. I really like the ability to create temporary passcodes for guests or deliveries, which adds flexibility without compromising safety. Installation is straightforward, and the sleek design upgrades the look of the door instantly. The lock also logs entry activity, so I can check who accessed it and when. With durable construction and built-in security features, it feels solid and dependable. For anyone looking to modernize home access, this smart lock offers security, control, and peace of mind. Charge Glow Desk Lamp. The Charge Glow Desk Lamp combines lighting and charging into one smart, space-saving design. I love how it provides bright, adjustable LED light for working, studying, or reading, while also featuring a wireless charging pad. It keeps my desk clean by reducing extra cables and clutter. The touch-sensitive controls make it easy to switch brightness levels and color temperatures depending on my mood or task. The flexible neck lets me angle the light exactly where I need it without straining my eyes. It also includes USB charging ports for added convenience. The modern, minimal look fits perfectly into any workspace. If you want better lighting and efficient charging in one compact solution, this desk lamp delivers both style and functionality.
Prozoom Adventure Scope. The Prozoom Adventure Scope is perfect for anyone who loves exploring the outdoors. I was impressed by how compact and lightweight it is while still delivering powerful magnification. Whether I'm hiking, bird watching, or attending outdoor events, it brings distant details into sharp focus. The lens clarity is excellent, providing bright and crisp visuals even in lower light conditions. I appreciate the durable, weather-resistant build that holds up during outdoor adventures. The adjustable focus wheel allows smooth and precise control, making it easy to track moving subjects. It even works well for capturing magnified shots through a smartphone. For travel, sports events, or nature trips, this scope offers portability, clarity, and reliable performance in one handy device. FlexView Inspection Scope. The FlexView Inspection Scope is a seriously handy tool for tight or hard-to-reach spaces. It features a flexible cable with a small camera at the end, allowing me to see inside pipes, behind appliances, or under furniture. The high-resolution camera provides clear visuals directly to my smartphone or display screen. I love the built-in LED lights that brighten dark areas, making inspections much easier. The cable is sturdy yet bendable, so I can guide it precisely where I need it. It's incredibly useful for DIY projects, home maintenance, or even automotive checks. Setup is quick, and the live viewing feature gives instant feedback. For problem solving around the house, this inspection scope saves time, effort, and unnecessary guesswork. Magfold Trio Charger. The Magfold Trio charger is a sleek all-in-one charging station that keeps my essential devices powered in one place. It's designed to charge my phone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds simultaneously with magnetic alignment for perfect positioning. I love the foldable design, which makes it ideal for both my desk and travel. When folded, it's compact and easy to pack, but when opened, it becomes a stable charging hub. The fast charging capability ensures my devices are ready when I need them. Built-in safety protection helps prevent overheating and overcharging, which adds peace of mind. The clean, modern design complements any setup beautifully. If you want a clutter-free, efficient charging solution, this Trio charger is a smart upgrade. And there you have it, 21 crazy smart gadgets that can seriously upgrade your daily routine. From smart home tools to fun tech accessories and powerful charging solutions, there's something here for everyone. I always love testing products like these and sharing the ones that truly stand out. If any of these caught your attention, check out the links below for more details. Let me know in the comments which gadget is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Power Tool Review for more awesome product roundups and honest reviews coming your way.